Feels a bit tight. You sure you got the measurements right?
I'll be the judge of that. Put the glasses on. Let me see.
Well?
Ooh, very dapper. Give us 12.
Piss off.
Oh, you're missing something. The bow tie?
I suppose Q included instructions.
How on earth did you make it through boarding school without tying one?
It's complicated.
Shall I get Q on the line?
Please do. Q? Help me out here, would you?
Relax, Bond. It's a bow tie, not C4. Alright. Make one end ever so slightly longer than the other.
You people and your vague measurements.
Pay attention, please.
Yes, sir.
There we are. Now, we're off to the races.
It would appear so.
Now, fold the short end to create our first bow shape. After that, drape the longer end over the center, nice, clean and even, please.
You know, I've disarmed bombs less complicated than this.
Nicely done. Now you're getting it.
Ah, look at you, saving the world, one wardrobe malfunction at a time.
Now the second bow. Fold that longer end to mirror the first. You'll see a small loop forming behind the front bow. Take the folded end, push it through the loop. Steady now. No panic, blow the whole thing.
Right, no panic. Just a growing sense of humiliation. Listen, if anyone asks, I was never trained for this.
Our lips are sealed. Right, Moneypenny?
Absolutely. Sealed shut. Rooting for you here, James.
Excellent work, Bond.
Let's see if it survives cocktail hour first.
Almost there. Gently pull the folded parts on both sides to tighten the knot. Once you do that, tug the loose end to even it out. We're aiming for slight asymmetry here, more character, less like a cheap clip-on.
Which would have been easier, by the way.
Lastly, ensure the knot is nice and firm, and that's it. You're done.
And people say field ops are stressful.
What's your game plan?
Fine dining and expensive champagne.
Be serious. Damien and his men are on their way.
We've got this. Once I'm in the restaurant, we'll get eyes on Roman and us. You keep tabs on their movements. I'll watch over the local for the evening.
That's odd. Lorca. Her heart rate is...
Mr. Bond is here, gentlemen. I feel safer already.
Still a bit sore, are we?
He'll be fine. Isn't that right, Pablo? Yes.
James, I think you need to get to the Emperor Villa. Now.
Ramon? Gents? Enjoy your evening.
Goodbye.
You know, they say this
It's got you spooked.
Lorca's heart rate is through the roof. Listen, she's not alone. Ella's wife is with her. You don't think...
No, I don't. Something's wrong.
Damien's SUV, where is it now?
Hang on.
Come on, Moneypenny, where is he? Where's Damien?
1 second. Looks like they've stopped. Pulling up nearby CCTV to get a look. Shit. It's not Damien. I've been tracking the wrong SUVs.
It's quiet. Too quiet.
Damien's?
Yeah. They're here.
Be careful, James. Got the blueprints of the villa in front of me. It looks like... Yes, there's a way in through the roof. Jesus, James, be careful. He's right on top of you.
Can you not do that?
Sorry.
It's him! There! In those bars! Lost sight of him! In those bars! Stand back here!
What's the American doing here? Came around looking for a booty call. Didn't go the way he hoped.
He doesn't fit the narrative. The real Caliban never allowed for collateral damage.
Nobody's perfect.
How many times? My father is adamant that the validity of Thea's conclusion is not questioned. Are you dumb? Look at me. Are you an idiot? You make him disappear. All right? The boys in ops will patch up the loose ends. Go! And Nico? Bring Locke to the side. I think it's time we set things in motion.
Tell me you got that.
No, I got it all right.
Will it be enough?
It'll have to be. Now go get the girl.
Not yet. They'll kill Ellis.
You can't save them all, James.
I can sure as hell try. Find Ellis.
Found him. He's on the lower floor. Watch